Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. We are going to continue with Windows menu, and I'm going to show you screenshot, save screenshot and save screenshot editor. What's the difference between them? First of all, go to Window and press screenshot. If you press screenshot, you can see it's going to show you a directory and you can save it as a screenshot. If you press screenshot editor, you can click it. It's going to you have to select your directory, file directory, and if you click screenshot, I'm going to show you what is screenshots. You can see my screenshot is take a photo of that screen. It does look like print screen button on your computer, on your keyboard. And you can see if I click screenshot editor, sorry that. If you click screenshot editor, it's going to just your screen without this. It's going to take picture of this editor window, display window. It doesn't include this menu outliner and the other type of things. And you can see you don't need use the camera. You can see camera is here. Show it. If you select, for example, here, go to out of camera, and you can click take a screenshot editor. I'm going to do that, and I made it before, and you can see your screen, your workspace. Why we have this? If you are in material menu, it doesn't mean anything. But if you are in, for example, random menu, you can see all your design with the different colors, so you can show all the different things and without rendering. It is just taking photo of the screen, so it is very quickly. You can show your colleague and say I put it this put it this table here. If you want, I can pull it for example here you can take advice from him or your customer. So making something on the sketch and very quickly you can take photo and send it very quickly. That's why we use this menu. And that's all I want to show you in this menu. I'm going to continue with this toolbars and in next video, and subscribe my channel, click the hit the like button, and thanks for watching.